Sometimes Nike releases joints and we just be like,
man, why didn't they just release the OG?
but then there are times, there are rare times where Nike executes perfectly, and I myself feel like that the sneaker that they're giving us is better than the OG. This sneaker right here is one of those sneakers. Let's talk about it.
I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to your channel. It is your boy Truth, and today, as we close out 2024, as we get closer to Christmas Day, we're going to be talking about a drop that's going to be happening. It's kind of flying under the radar. Haven't heard many people talking about it, but it does release this Wednesday, and it looks a lot like this joint right here, man. And this right here, the Jordan 12 French Blues, are one of my favorite Jordan 12 silhouettes, and I've been waiting for them to bring these back, but as you guys can see on the screen right next to it, we have the white and Game Royal Jordan 12s is going to be dropping Wednesday. And today we're going to be talking about why I think that the new version is actually better than this pair, man. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. We did hit 20K. Thank you guys so much. We'll be having giveaway instructions coming soon. I'm going to try to finish out before Christmas, do this giveaway for 20K. So make sure you guys got your notification bells turned on and all those great things. Now, let's talk about this sneaker. Now, as I stated before, it's hit or miss with Nike whenever they try to remake OG colorways. But this time, they did do a couple of things right. And I love the Air Jordan 12 white and Game Royal colorway. The minor adjustments that they made, and they are minor compared to the Air Jordan 12 French Blue. And we're going to go through each and every one of them. So as you guys can see on the screen, this sneaker does drop Wednesday, December 18th, man. This drop Wednesday, December 18th. The retail is going to be $200 on the sneakers app. I'm pretty sure it's raffles and everything going for it. And I do think this will be another sneaker that will actually sit around. But as you guys can see on the screen, as we look at this sneaker right here, the biggest difference is the blues are a little bit different. The Game Royals are a little bit more of a vibrant blue. The French Blues is a little bit more of a deeper blue. But as you guys can see right here on the side where the Jordan is right here, it is gray on the French Blues. On the Game Royals is going to be actually just blue all the way through. The white upper kind of looks the same. Leather always looks good on 12s in my opinion, so nothing changes about that. We got the eyelets right there. That's going to be silver on the French Blues. They're also going to be silver on the Game Royal. So all in all, neck and neck, side view is not much difference. Now, as we look at the back of the sneakers, this is where it gets interesting. The 23 is in red on the French Blues. On the white and Game Royals is going to be white. They did hit us with that black stripe with the white lettering in the royal blue Jumpman logo. And on this one, on the French Blues, you can see it's white with the Jordan in red, and then the Jumpman logo in white with the blue accents behind it. So that is the biggest difference when it comes to the booty. And the thing that I love the most about the Game Royals is that I really hate white sock liners and white interiors of sneakers. So the fact that they did hit us with this, as you guys can see right here, we have the white sock liner on the French Blues. They hit us with that black sock liner, and I feel like it just makes the white pop a little bit more. So I'm definitely feeling that when it comes to the white and Game Royal. On the bottom of the sneakers, on the French Blues, we have the hint of the red and the black carbon fiber. On the Game Royals, it's just going to be literally just white, blue, and black. You know what I'm saying? You got the black pods on the Game Royal, so nothing major, anything disastrous to make you want to change your mind about the bottoms. The bottoms are just the bottom. And then to me, the most noticeable difference about these things, again, like I said, is going to be that black sock liner. As you can see on the Game Royals, it's white on the French Blues, black on the Game Royals. And then the Jumpman logo in the 2-3 written out on the tongue is going to be black on the Game Royals. I feel like that stands out a lot more than this blue on the French Blues. And then, like I said, that black sock liner and the white rope laces, I just feel like the Game Royals just pops a little bit more, and that blue is just a little bit more vibrant in my opinion. But again, it is a Jordan 12, so it's kind of one of those things where it's like, is a hit or miss, it's going to sit. But just based on the current state of the sneaker market, I do think this sneaker will actually sit around, and they will be available if you guys are trying to cop them. Nonetheless, the Jordan 12 silhouette is a love silhouette. I think this sneaker is dope, and I do actually like it better than the French Blues, in my opinion. Now, comment down below and let me know if this is a sneaker that you guys are going to be picking up. And as we finish out 2024, man, this is another dope sneaker that I feel like Jordan Brand is giving us that will be below retail. So, hey, what a time to be a sneakerhead and enjoy being able to cop these sneakers, because 2025 might bring on some changes. But that's all I got for you guys. Make sure you guys comment down below, hit that like button. I appreciate it. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, the Game Royals, French Blues, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat,